Today we're looking at a piece of gear that's a total game changer for staying cool off the grid, the HOMEVOL Ice Maker. One of the best things about this unit is its versatility. You can run it on standard electric power or via battery, making it an absolute essential boondocking or primitive camping piece of gear where traditional power hookups are nowhere to be found. Whether you're miles into the backcountry or just hanging out in the backyard, we're going to see if this compact machine can keep up with the heat. Let's jump in. I tend to be pretty selective on the products that I show. I get offered a lot of products every day. If I don't think it's going to benefit the people in the campsite cruising community, I'll pass. So when I was approached by HOMEVOL for their ice maker, I looked at it, but we already had an ice maker. Did I need another one? So I looked it up. It's a double threat. If you're tent camping or boondocking, even mooch docking, this thing runs on two 7.8 amp hour 20 volt batteries. You can run that thing for like 8 hours straight. It also works on a simple 110 plug. So you can hook it up at home. You can hook it up in your outdoor kitchen, in your RV. Anywhere where you have electricity, you can use it. But I was really intrigued by the battery power and I wanted to see if it would work. Starting off with the design of it, it's sleek, it's hefty, and by hefty I don't mean super heavy. I mean this thing is built where it looks like you could bang it up against a tree and it would still work. That's not what you want to do, of course, but I'm saying the build quality seems pretty decent on it. It came with the two batteries, the battery charger, a scoop, and a little water drip tray. The water drip tray is handy because if you're going to do like me and overfill it, you need somewhere for your water to go. It has numerous functions on it. There's a cleaning mode, a light that you can turn on to see, of course an on-off switch. You can make small cubes or large cubes. These are the little bullet cubes that have the holes in them. One thing I really like is the light up control panel. You can see the light to clean it, the light to turn on the light. The little dial for the on-off has a little snowflake to let you know if you turned it on or turned it off, the option for the small ice cubes or the option for the large ice cubes. The manual gives really good information on what to do for your first use. It mentions things like the optimal temperature for this to work, how to make sure it's sitting upright for 24 hours. They have a dedicated customer support number. Now, before you start getting crazy and thinking, oh man, I'm going to make some grown-up drinks with this ice, only use water. It's recommended just use water only. Filtered water, spring water, those kinds of things, I would do that instead of running straight out of the tap in case there were some impurities, unless you're really confident in your filtration system. The instructions are easy. You just take the ice bucket out, and then you add your water into the reservoir. Don't do like me and fill it over max. Go a little under max. And here's a tip. If you use cooler water, the ice cubes will start forming quicker, getting you ice faster. Another cool thing about the light up control panel is the on-off button will turn blue when the bucket is full. Then you can empty it and refill with water and go again. I really like the drain plug on the bottom because if you've made enough ice or you're wanting to call it a day or your trip is over and you need to pack up, you can just simply drain out the water, pack up, and you're good to go. The cleaning mode is easy also. It's the same steps as making ice for the most part. You fill up the reservoir after you move the ice bucket, and then you hit the cleaning button. When it's done cleaning, a white light will show up on the on-off button. And then you want to drain your excess water. Again, that's where that drain plug comes in handy. We don't use a lot of ice when we go camping, but in the summer months, we do use more than normal. So this is going to come in really handy because it's going to allow us to have cold drinks. Let's say we have some extra sodas or waters, but we've got the fridge full of food. Now we can use this ice maker and we can still have cold drinks and have ice. I didn't know what to expect when I got the HOMEVOL Ice Maker, but it's durable. It works simply. It works effectively. The fact that I can use batteries on this thing and take it camping, or if we're camping without electricity and I don't want to drain my battery, or I want to conserve energy, I have those batteries that I can run it on. I'll put a link down in the description where you can check it out for yourself. And let me know down in the comments, have you heard of the HOMEVOL Ice Maker? Do you own one? What are your thoughts on it? I think it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching. We hope you liked the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.